All right, so we're at Pitt Race. We're in garage number 3. Welcome to Wrenching to Race. This is practice day, test day, tech day, BS day. We're reinstalling the seat really fast because we were missing a bolt. We have a whole checklist of stuff that we did. Checklist was coolant, transmission oil. We got to check the oil seat. We got to check the oil still seat. What? It's in neutral, right?
It is.
Okay, go ahead. The fuel pump on? Turn it off for a sec. All right, go ahead. Just try it again. No, you gotta put the ignition on. Good job, bud. So, I gotta sit here and hold the throttle because we don't have a choke and the engine's ice cold because it's 35 degrees out. But I'm gonna go warm up the car right now. We're gonna check the water level, the coolant, and then we're gonna top off the oil if we need to. And then I'm gonna go out, do a really quick couple of laps just to heat up the brake pads because they're brand new. We gotta bed them. And she sounds good. We had a list of stuff to do. We had the coolant to fill, to swap out the coolant, antifreeze with water. We did that, did a flush. We did transmission oil. We're gonna check the oil in a minute after the car warms up. We're tightening up the seat. We torqued all the lugs to 80. The mirror bracket we didn't get done. We bled the brakes. We screwed in the CO2 for the fire system. We got to go out and bed the brakes. Quick once over on the bolts. So that's basically the list right there. How's it going? Should we push in?
Oh, yeah, go ahead, push it on in there.
We got some new HVAC going, and then we painted our HVAC scoop in black, so now it's looking really good. We also have an electric relay for our fan switch, so when we go on yellows, we can turn the fans on before it gets to 215, so that helps.
Tell them we cleaned the air filter.
And I cleaned the air filter for the first time in 6 races. It sounded different because air was being sucked through the machine.
Well, of course it would. Of course it would. All right, well, you're good on the tech side.
All right, cool.
You got the most boring car here.
Trash.
Is the seat pretty far back right now still? No, this is good. That's good? Yeah.
Does that feel tight in the balls? Okay.
Wiped it all off.
I know, I want to bring it into the garage. How was that?
It was fun. I can't wait till it's like not like this.
Well, when it's dry, it's a lot more fun.
Dude, as soon as the fucking shit started coming down, it's just, there's just understeering out of fucking turns. Like, there's no...
Yeah.
And then I didn't know where the fucking windshield wiper button is.
First and only lap in the world famous GTI.
She's great, not gonna lie. She's a good one. But
How soon before the snow started falling?
half a lap.
And once the snow started falling, how were the snow tires?
Well, at first they held up, but then we had problems. Quite frankly, they suck.
And
No traction.
And are you looking forward to drier conditions tomorrow?
I would take rain at this point over what I had just now. I now know where the wipers are. That was huge.
And what are black flags for?
Get off the track.
Excellent. You're ready for the driving move.
I am ready. I learned today.
What you got there, buddy? So you got snow in the HVAC intake?
Straight out of my washing machine. This is great. Well, it was cold. What a ride.